Today is going to be a great day just because what I have behind me. So we finally said screw it and went and rented a Bobcat so we can actually get some farm work done. We've been doing it all by hand up to this point. It's real strain on our bodies. So we said, let's bite the bullet, spend $500 and rent a Bobcat for a day so we can do some trench work and a lot of brush work. Oh, hello. I'm also going to give my mower a break, and we're going to use the Bobcat to prep the farm stand lot. So as I was saying, I was talking about how we need to do some ditch work. So we got this valley that usually fills up with water every time it rains, and then it usually gets clogged up right around here and floods the whole back side of the property. So today, well, since we got the Bobcat, we're gonna try to drench a whole straight line across the whole back of the property so that water flows out of the property and doesn't flood our pasture once it is pasture. But as of right now, we're just doing some brush work, making piles of brush that we can eventually get into a bonfire pit or burn where they lay. Well man, it's been like 7 hours since we started this morning and started pushing all the brush up. We're now on the side of the property doing the same thing, pushing brush into another pile so that we can, you know, get more, throw some grass seed down and actually have more pasture than just woods. But for the past 6 hours, I've been in the Bobcat digging this straight line. We got a straight valley here for the water to go through when it rains, so that this whole back half of the pasture doesn't flood anymore. But I mean, this thing's probably about 1.5 feet deep and as wide as that bucket on the Bobcat. Hopefully, I mean, I'm still got to dig a few spots out a little more, but I do believe that this is going to work for water drainage. This corner of the property has its own ditch that we need to fill and relocate to the back corner and then straight back. We want our fence line to come straight down our field and not veer off and look like trash. So we have until like 11 o'clock tomorrow to get all this done, but we're hoping to get it done today. Well, now that we got the farm stand lot cleared out, it's starting to look a little bit more open and a little bit more usable. There definitely is a few other things that I would like to get cleaned up, as well as building a bridge over here. Instead of people coming in and parking on the road, there's a side road here that a bunch of other people come in and park on, because there's a bend right there that's not very visible. So they can park over here, maybe cross a bridge on a ravine, because there's a little water culvert here. Definitely is absolutely crazy on how much work you can get done with a piece of machinery. That would not been able to do this by hand. So with there only being a few hours of daylight left, I'm gonna try to get the Bobcat ran down through the water valley and clear out any debris that may block it and cause this property to flood, since now the farm pasture that we just did is not going to flood anymore, but this property may flood because of blockages.
Alright, let's see how much progress Cameron's actually making. I would say a decent amount.
There's so much crap in this thing.
I believe it.
I just pulled out 2 mattresses and a bunch of other crap.
Let's go see Cameron's progress. Not really focusing on digging out the rest, just clearing out the rest. And it's pretty rough back here. Yeah, like you can see right here, this is exactly where it wants to flow. It has flown before. He didn't really do much here because there's really nothing to do. Oh, there he is. The sound of my people. Oh, he's putting a little wall, it looks like. And there's our boy. He's having a good old time. I guess that's your little update for today. What's currently happening. I don't know how much more he has planned. Oh, here he comes. He's gonna run me over again. It's time to go, y'all.
Now it is. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
You're supposed to say, oh, hello again.